services PH. We bring a tech back to its best. From the ball IC to CPU test. We're the board level pros, forget the rest. The rest. Electronics techs with expert hands. We read the books, we understand. Deep clean, thermal paste applied. Liquid metal smooth inside. Ultrasonic wash fans like new. Cool and quiet just for you. Motherboard care done the right way. We'll make it run like the very first day.
So 23. Meron tayong 10, 11, 9. Tapos yan, 1.2, 79, 7. So may progress tayo, gumana na yung ano niya, processor ayan. So ngayon, titingnan natin kung ilang kuryente tumatakbo. So dito tayo natin. Okay. Yan, may 0.9. So gumana na yung processor. Upon replace ng processor. Bago
The
yan.
board level pros, forget the rest. Laptop repair services PH. We fix it fast, we fix it best. Precision tools and service fair. Your trusted
Sayang. Nakita mo? Ito kung EPS nya. Yan. Tapos gusto niya pero wala tayong aircon ha. Nakita niya yan. EPS tapos i-ano ko. I-ano ko pa. Yan. Temperature ng processor. Ito. CPU 59. Yan. Tapos itong GPU 54. Ang baba. Goods na goods. Very low pero taas ng EPS natin. Diba? Nakabaloran tayo online games. Hindi lang nakasama. Ano lang. Weak lang. Weak player. Nakatama rin. Nakatama rin. Galing na. Nakadalawa tayo doon. Oh, stick. Basta yan, mataas EPS, mababa temperature. Ulitin ko CPU, ilan? Yan, 58. Tapos itong GPU, 54 degrees. Goods, diba?